Yeah, we got that chicken soup. Done by Incredible. Made the chicken soup. Goddamn, Yolanda was up there sick. So I said, let me go make her some chicken soup. She done took herself to the emergency room. So I gotta wait till she come on back. I got a big old pot of chicken soup. She gonna like this. This is like the chicken sauce. Like, that's gonna be off the hook. Whoa, she gonna love this joint. That's crazy. She gonna like that joint. Whoa. Now I'ma tap. I'ma clean that off. That's the soup was coming on out the pot. Crazy. But this soup gonna be off the hook.